Good morning students. I am Mallikarjuna Swami, faculty of Little Scholars High School. Today I am going to take one topic related to 9th and 10th classes. So listen carefully. If you have any doubt, you can contact to my number 8919103117. So let us begin the class. So before going to start this topic, we should get the basic information so that you can understand better for the given topic. So first before going to talk about the topic, so let us go for the basic information. So the information is nothing but, as you learnt in the 8th class, that is data handling. So what is data? Data is nothing but information. Information in terms of numbers or numerals or figures or in terms of graphs. So this all comes under the data. So this data can be represented in different ways. It may be, as I said, numerical way, graphical or pie chart, pictograph. Many ways are there, but here we already studied in 8th class. Its continuation is taken in the 9th and 10th classes. The topic name is what? Statistics. So let us start this topic, statistics. So what is this statistics? This statistics is one of the important branch in mathematics. It which deals with the collection, classification, interpretation of data. So once again I will repeat it. Statistics is one of the important branch in mathematics which deals in collection, classification and interpretation of data. So this word taken from 3 country words. So what is this statistics it mean? So statistics is taken from 3 country words. So that is Latin word, from Latin status, and from Italic stata. So from Latin status, Italic stata and Greek statistic. So this statistics is taken from 3 country words. In Latin, taken from the word status, and from Italic taken from the word stata, and from the Greek taken from the word statistics. So what is the meaning of these 3? It is nothing but political state. It is nothing but political state. So what is this political state? Political state is nothing but the information related to the country in terms of economy, in terms of wealth, in terms of education, just like population census. Every 5 to 10 years we are taking the population census. So in the same way we will gather the information, we will collect the information in different ways, in different fields, that is related to the crops, related to the earth, related to the geography, related to all the fields related to the country, economy, geography, economics. So from various fields this information is gathered for the sake of development of the country. That's why these statistics used. So this total information is kept in the important topic, that is what? Statistics. That is nothing but what? Political state. It is the information collected and regarding to the country, that is about the military purpose or medicine, whatever I said, the same thing will be kept in the information. That is nothing but what? Political state. So for the sake of particularly development of the country. So this statistics is one of the important branches mathematics which deals with the collection, classification and interpretation of data. So already you studied in 8th class about the data handling. So in 9th and 10th class we are going to study about the statistics, some important nature, important characteristics, important analysis, that is from the central tendencies. The word is from the central tendencies. From this central tendency there are 3 more topics, that is arithmetic mean, median and mode. So actually central tendency is nothing but what? Average. This average is taken according to the different situations, that is mean or simply mean or arithmetic mean, median and mode. So before going to take these all 3 topics, let us start with what? Arithmetic mean. So okay, let us start with the first concept, that is what? Arithmetic mean. So as I said, There are three topics, there are three central tendencies, that is arithmetic mean, median and mode. First of all, we will discuss what first topic, that is what arithmetic mean, or simply we can say mean. In short form, we can write it as AM, or you can write simply what mean. So what is this mean? So already you studied in 8th class. Once again we are recalling this topic in the 9th class as well as in the 10th class. What is this arithmetic mean? Simply we can say this arithmetic is mean nothing but simply average. So how we are calculating the average? Average means sum of the observations by number of observations. In the same way, arithmetic mean also defined in the same way, that is the quotient of sum of all the observations by number of observations. That is the formula of arithmetic mean, and it is represented with what? X bar, sometimes X, that is equal to sum of all observations by number of observations. Sum of the observations by number of observations, or you can say the quotient of sum of all the observations by number of observations. Let us take some examples. So let us take some marks of a student scored out of 10 marks. 10, 8, 9, 6, 4 and 3. These are okay children. So as I said, arithmetic mean is represented with sometimes X, or X bar is equal to sum of the observations by number of observations, or the quotient of sum of all the observations by number of observations. Let us take one example, that is the marks scored by a student in certain subjects. 10 marks out of 10 marks, 10, 8, 9, 6, 4, 3. What is the mean of these marks scored by the students in certain subjects? So let us take this one. So now arithmetic mean is equal to 10 plus 8 plus 9 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3 whole divided by number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total observations are what? 6. So let us take the sum. 10 plus 8, 18, 18, 9, 27, 27, 6, 33, 33, 4, 37, 37, 3, 40. 40 divided by 6. Now let us divide this 40 by 6. 6, 6, 36, 4 and decimal and 0, 6, 6, 36 and 4. If we continue again we will get 6. So approximately up to 2 decimals the value is equal to 6.66. So the mean marks of certain subjects in 6 subjects, the average or the arithmetic mean of the students scored in certain subjects is what? 6.66. Sometimes we will consider as 6.67 also. So this is what one of the example of arithmetic mean.